Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Life Hands-On. I'm going to set out another swarm trap. I caught 2 swarms of bees in 10 days apart on one limb on a tree back behind my property. So I thought that it might make a lot of sense to put a swarm trap up there, and that would make it a lot simpler for getting that swarm out of the tree. So I'm hoping that they come back, and I'm hoping they'll take residence in the swarm trap. This is a light swarm trap. This is corrugated plastic, and it'll be a lot lighter. And I'm going to screw this piece of plywood to the limb. It's just an old, so the plan is to screw that to the limb, put the box on with the bungee cord, and then wait for the bees to take residence. Okay, next we're going to install the frames. I use the foundation frame on the outside, on both sides, and then I use foundationless frames on the inside. I've added a little piece of wood. I just am trying to encourage the bees to install their comb this way instead of crossways. It just makes it a lot nicer. And then the one in the center, I do that as a little more incentive for them to install their comb this way. And now, I'm going to pulverize a little bit of lemongrass. That smells so good. Just drop it in there. I'll probably even just put a piece on the front porch of this. Try to encourage them to move in. And I'll run screws in the side to keep the lid from flopping around. Okay, now we're ready to go put it in the tree. Okay, this is the spot where we had to shake the bees off. And so I'm going to mount the platform right here. And hopefully they will decide to move in. That isn't level. I'm not sure that it matters. But we will find. Let's put this on here. Maybe we'll go the other side. Put it here. There you have it. I hope we catch some bees. So here is the vantage point from where the new swarm trap is in relation to my other bees. Special shout out to my videographer. And I don't know if you can see over there. There's another one of the swarm traps that I've set out. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Share this. We'll see you the next time.